We use air conditioners in our daily life, but do we know how does it works? It's very simple. It just works as a machine to deliver the hot air present inside the room to the atmosphere, and the carrier used for this is refrigerant. The important component of the indoor unit is the evaporator coil, whereas for the outdoor unit it consists of a fan with a small motor, the condenser coil and a capacitor. As soon as we switch on our air conditioning system, the indoor unit takes in the hot air of the room and blows it on the evaporator coil in the indoor unit. The refrigerant present in the liquid form in the evaporator coil absorbs the heat of the room and turns into a vapor, thus cooling the room. This refrigerant has got lower boiling point, so it can change several times during its refrigerant cycle from vapor state to liquid state. Now the refrigerant as in the present in the evaporator coil which was in liquid form has been converted into vapor form, but it has low temperature and pressure, so it is sent into the compressor which is present in the outdoor unit. The work of the compressor is to convert this low pressure and low temperature vapor form refrigerant into high pressure and high temperature refrigerant, which is also coming out of the compressor in vapor form. Now this refrigerant in the vapor form is sent into the condenser coils. Where during its passage through the condenser coils, fan is blown onto the condenser coil, which removes the heat from the refrigerant and cools it, turns into a liquid form. This liquid form refrigerant again moves into the evaporator coil present in the indoor unit, and thus again the air is intake from the room and thus the cycle continues.